Welcome guys, if you wonder how to charge your JBL Flip 6, I'm gonna show you. So at the first, take a look. In this place we'll find the USB-C input. So what you have to do, you have to find this USB-C cable. So that's the USB-C end, as you can see. Let me just catch focus. It looks like that. And the second end is USB-A. So this one you have to plug to the charging brick, just like that. Then put it right here to the electricity, and this USB-C input you have to plug right here. Once you make it, this icon will be highlighted, and it means that your device is charging. As you can see, that's very simple. But yeah, that's how we can make it. And if you wonder what kind of the cable you have to use, so one more time, that's the USB-C cable, and you can use the cables that you have with your phone. So you don't have to use this one that you get as a default in your box set or with your speaker. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.